Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with a burnt orange shadow, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, blending it upwards. And I do take my time just to make sure that everything is really nice pigmented as I wanted. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this color and blend upwards. You can use any eyeshadow palette that you guys have. I'm really not going to be showing any more palettes of what I use, not because I'm gatekeeping, but I no longer going to be working with these companies, so yeah, whatever. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna go with a yellowy shade, and I'm going to apply this right onto my brow bone, blending upwards, just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. And I do like to take my time to blend all this out, just to make sure, like I said, everything needs to be really nice and blended. Then I'm going to go with a dark brown shadow, and I'm going to apply this right onto my lid, blending it upwards. And I do like to pack this color. I maybe should have used a different brush because I feel like this one wasn't really applying the shadow, but yeah. Anyways, just going to go ahead and apply this shadow and make sure that it's as dark as I want it, because I kind of want it to be this dark fall Bambi look. So that's what I'm going for here now. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. I'm going to go ahead and apply that same burnt orange and apply it to the bottom lash line, and then just blend it upwards. I just kind of like to make sure this color is very pigmented, so I like to go on and apply it a few times. And then I'm going to go ahead and darken it a little bit with a dark brown shadow as well, just to kind of deepen it and give it like a little bit of a smoky eye. And then I go and finish it with the yellowy shadow just to blend everything out. Then I'm going to go with a dark brown eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my waterline just to give me that brown smoky eye look, and just makes the green eyes pop a lot. I really like how this look turned out. So yeah. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes just to prep them for my falsies, so they can like look like they're my lashes, but they're not. So yeah. Also, I dyed my hair, so I only have like 2 more videos, I believe, with my black hair, and then I'll be posting some videos with my new hair. So yeah. Alright, so then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. I'll link everything down below for you guys if you guys are interested. So yeah. Then I'm gonna go with this dark brown lip liner, and just gonna go ahead and line my lips, just kind of overdraw them a little bit, and kind of just, you know, do my thing. And then to fill that in, I'm gonna use this liquid lips, like a burgundy-ish color. I really like the color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that, and then just kind of make sure everything is really nice and blended. I kind of have to do like 2 layers, 3 layers, just so that it's not too transparent. And that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check me out on my other social medias. I really just post most of my makeup videos there now, just because I feel like it gets more attention than on YouTube. I feel like YouTube is kind of dead for me now, and I only post here because I have a lot of people that don't really have other social medias. But if you do, check me out on Instagram and TikTok, and I also post on Facebook. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.